Hey guys, yay, I'm back, and it's been such a long time. I'm super rusty and a little bit nervous, to be honest, so be kind. I hope everyone's doing well in this really weird time that we're living in at the moment. So I'm easing myself back in with a little review / Valentine's video, so I hope you enjoy. So Madam Glam kindly sent me a few of their new gels from different releases that they've got going on at the moment, and they also sent me their silver cat eye, which I was really interested to try because I thought it looked amazing. So I've got 3 pinks here, and I was going to do like a gradient going across the nail. So the names are You Free Tonight, 50 Shades of Pink, and Dolce Vita. So this is the Super Cat Eye in silver, and you will need some sort of magnet to get the effect that you want going across the nails. So I've just got some quick fit tips on just with a layer of pink builder, so I'm going to just jump straight in and let you watch.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be.
So super simple design, just a pink gradient across the nails with the silver cat eye on top. So thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these for review. I have got a 30% discount code. I still think it's valid, so try it on their website and that'll give you 30% off. So thank you for watching, and thank you to all those that have reached out on Instagram over the past year just asking how I am and if I'm coming back, etc. So thank you for the love, and I shall see you in my next one, which I hope will be very, very soon. Bye.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you,